Meaning of doesn't.
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 Doesn't. Doesn't is a contraction of does not and is used as a negative auxiliary verb in English. It is commonly used to indicate the absence of an action or event. When doesn't is used in a sentence, it means that something did not happen or is not happening. For example, she doesn't like coffee means that the subject has a dislike for coffee. Similarly, the car doesn't start means that the vehicle is not able to start. In short, doesn't expresses negation and the absence of an action or state.